Let's learn 3 tenses together in an amazing style so that you can speak very confidently and accurately. So, the tense, present, past and future. I see, present tense. I saw, past tense. I will see, future. I cut. I cut. I will cut. Cut has 3 forms the same. I fall. I fell. I will fall. I read. I read. I will read. I will read. I draw. I drew. I will draw. I will draw. I cook. I cooked. Past form. I will cook. Cook is the first form. I go. I went. I will go. Because we use first form with will. I swim. I swam. I will swim. Swim is the first form of verb. I speak. I spoke. I will speak. Spoke is the second form and speak is the first form. I tell. I told. I will tell. I give. I gave. I will give. I will give. In this way, amazingly you learn 3 tenses together. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. We use first form with present tense.